Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make a simple and easy fondant with only 4 ingredients. The first ingredient you'll need is a bag of mini marshmallows, a bag of powdered sugar, some water, and some oil. Grab your marshmallows, and we'll be needing 2 cups of marshmallows. The original recipe asked for 4, but I'm cutting it in half because I don't need that much today. 1 and 2. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of water and drizzle it over the mini marshmallows. Okay, now grab your oil, and we'll need 1 tablespoon. Once you've added all the ingredients into your bowl, go ahead and pop it into the microwave for a few seconds. Ooh, look at how delicious that looks. Nice and melted and fluffy. All right, once it looks creamy, that's when it's done. Next, grab your powdered sugar. They say about 2 cups, but I usually just do enough till it's enough, you know? Grab your powdered sugar and your whisker. What is this? A colander?
Strainer.
A strainer. Grab your calendar. I'm gonna sprinkle some right onto the surface. That way my marshmallow doesn't stick. Next, grab your melted marshmallow and pour it right onto that powdered sugar. I'm gonna grab some more powdered sugar and sift it right over the top. After you've kneaded it and it's come out not sticky, that's when you're done and it's nice and smooth. Nice and sweet, delicious and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on how to make a very simple and easy fondant. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.